Cavalen Hoops, Easy Jersey, Basketball League, Influencers Cup, Season 1, Magalang Vloggers Official Lineup. Ito na ang pambato namin. Bapa kong Elmer, PBA 1960 MVP and Rookie of the Year. 50 points per game. Grabe. Number 2, Pinashow, UAAP 1980 MVP and Rookie of the Year. 40 points per game. Grabe talaga. Lauro Arciaga Suba, NCAA 1970 MVP and Rookie of the Year. 35 points per game. Number 4, Michael Buduan, NPBL 1990 MVP and Rookie of the Year. 30 points per game. Woo naman. Grafia Basketball Inter-Barangay Tournament MVP 2000. 30 points per game. Number 5, Mangkano Laspogi, NPBL 1990 MVP and Rookie of the Year. 60 points per game. And Master B Vlog, PBA 10 times MVP, 10 times Rookie of the Year, 100 points per game. Grabe, wala nang tatalo sa kanila.